Hey guys, welcome to my beautiful kitchen with total chaos. I hope you guys are all doing well. I just wanted to make sure that everybody was clear on the difference in terms of latent infection versus active disease for tuberculosis. So in both of these cases, you would have the bacteria in your lungs at least. But in latent infection, essentially what's happened is the immune system has everything under control. And so the bacteria are, there's some debate about whether they're truly dormant or not, but the bacteria are not really rapidly, actively dividing, and they're contained inside of these things called granulomas, which essentially are just these large groups of immune cells, B cells, T cells, a variety of other immune cells, that encapsulate the bacteria and keep them from getting all the nutrients that they need and keep them from getting out, okay? Now, if something changes in your body, you become immunocompromised for some reason, then what can happen is the conditions inside the granuloma break down and the bacteria are able to start replicating again. This either happens again because something has changed or because you've started losing some of your immune cells. You've become immunocompromised. When this happens, the bacteria not only increase in number, but they now can disseminate or get out into your lungs, and from your lungs they can enter into the bloodstream and they can actually cause systemic effects. So one really interesting circumstance is when in areas where we have high rates, that's the dog, squeaking her toy. In areas where we have really high rates of HIV infection, there's also worse problems with tuberculosis because the primary cell type that HIV targets are those CD4 positive T cells, which are one of the major players in the granuloma. So if you have less T cells, then that granuloma is going to break down and you're more likely to have really severe, possibly systemic tuberculosis.